Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy messy hairstyle. To start, I've left a few pieces of hair out around the face. Taking all of the hair, we're just going to split it in half, and on that right hand side, bring it up to about ear level and secure it into a clear elastic band. Repeat this on the left hand side, so we're left with 2 ponytails. Now, taking that right hand ponytail, we're going to make a hole behind it with our fingers. Make sure the edges of your fingers are pointing away from the head. Grab the ends of the ponytail and pull them through that hole so you create a sideways twist. And we're just going to repeat this on the left hand ponytail, so pop your fingers behind the elastic band with the end of your fingers pointing away from the head. Pass the ponytail to your fingers and pull it through to create another sideways twist. Add some texture spray all over the top of the hair. I'll add the one I'm using in the description box below for you. And then working on one side, we're just going to pinch and pull all of the hair around the twist and at the crown area, and then just secure this in place with a touch of hairspray. Then just repeat this on the left hand side. Take those 2 ponytails and loosely wrap them around each other. When you get to the end of the hair, tie it off with a clear elastic band. Add some more texture spray all over the twist. And then all we're going to do is take that twist, wrap it around itself to create a bun, making sure that you tuck the ends underneath so you can't see them. Hold it against the head and pin it all the way round using as many bobby pins as needed. Once everything is secure, take your fingers and gently pinch and pull at every single loop and twist of that bun. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.